Alrighty, 5. So last week we did skirts. Couple people liked this one, but not very many. Hardly anybody liked this one. Or this one. And this one's like outdated and frumpy and too big and yeah, lots of things. This one is still a maybe, but everything else is a no. I haven't decided about this one. I've got a couple more for you to look at. Then you can help me decide whether to keep this one or one or two of the other two. I don't usually wear sleeveless. My bra strap shows, but I'm going to try a couple white light skirts on, so I put this with it. So that's what's going to be next. I can get back far enough so you can see this. There's a doggy in the way. I don't know if you can see the doggy. So this one's like a white and blue full length one, kind of tie doggy looking. So I have to get so far back you can see my whole messy room. And the next one is, actually this is the next two. I meant to put this on with the other skirt because I probably wouldn't wear all this together, all this white. But it's got pockets and a little bit of something there, embroidery or something. And then this skirt is, excuse me Max, this skirt is all white. It's ankle length. So this is number 2 and number 3, this little short sleeve cardi. So probably wouldn't wear it with this white tank, but yeah, you get the gist. Alrighty, here's number 4. And excuse me Max, doggy on the floor. This one's a skirt, knee-length skirt with a little lace on it. Number 5. So this one is really weird. I can't get to zip all the way, and I was 20 pounds heavier last time I wore it and it zipped. So I don't know if I shrunk it or what the deal is. Or I'm bloated or I gotta wear it. I mean, I'm wearing it without it being zipped all the way, but I don't know. And the blue and white one's almost fallen off, so it's a little too big, so we'll decide. Alrighty. So this was number 1. It's kind of cute, but it's a little stretched out or just too big a size or something. What size is it? It's a 1X, but the waistband's pretty big. So this is number 1. This white one with the little jewelry things on it is number 2. It's got a liner in it because it's white, which is nice. So it's not so see-through. And then this little cardi is number 3. It's short-sleeved and it has a little bit of crochet or something at the top. Not short sleeved, 3/4 sleeves. Well, they're not even quite 3/4 sleeves, kind of halfway between short and 3/4. And it does it have pockets? It does not have pockets. And this one is number 4, and it doesn't have pockets either. It's very see-through. It's kind of sort of the waffle kind of material, and it's 3/4 sleeves. And then number 5 is this skirt. Pull my skirt up, show my undies probably. It's got a little lace on the bottom, and it's knee length. So let me know what you think. I'm probably going to get rid of all of yet last week's skirts, except this one's a maybe. And then we've got the 3 skirts today and the 2 cardis. the tie-dye one, the white one, this black skirt with the lace, and then the black and the white cardies. So let me know. Gotta help me clean out my closet. I don't wear skirts hardly at all, once in a while in the summertime. So these are all summertime. These last, well, this black one isn't, but this turquoise one from last week and these two here are all summery skirts, which is the time I'd be most likely to wear them. So I hope you all will have a good weekend, and we'll see you probably Monday for Monday Mask.